Hello dear aspirants, this is Dr. Sourav First Classes. Our contact number is 9836793076. Again, I am repeating our contact number which is 9836793076 and our email ID is sourceclasses@gmail.com. So if you have any mathematical queries, doubts or anything, so please feel free to contact on this number. That means you can call on this number or you can WhatsApp also. Rather, you can drop an email to our email ID which is written in the screen. Then you can join our regular batches, our one-on-one sessions and our online classes, so that will be beneficial for your preparation of upcoming mathematical examinations like GLET also. So please feel free to contact if you need any help from us. Okay, so now we are going to solve a problem which is appeared in the year of 2024 in the GLET, and the question is telling us that if there is a 3 cross 3 determinant here whose first row is a square BC and AC plus C square, our row 2 is a square plus AB, B square and AC, and our last row is AB, B square plus BC and C square. And the determinant is equals to K A square B square C square, where A, B, C are real numbers. Then what is the value of K? There are four options here which are 2, 4, 8 and 16. So we have to calculate the determinant of the given matrix. So we are going to have a square into, we will get the first minor which is our square, and minus we will get AC into B square plus BC, then minus of BC, then we get second minor. This that means that will be A square plus AB into C square, minus we will get AB into AS. Okay, so plus we will get AC plus C square into, we will get A square plus AB, that A square plus AB into, we will get B square plus BC minus of AB into B square. So that is equals to A square B square C square. We are just expanding the given equation here. AB square C minus we will get AB square. And then we will get minus BC into, that will be A square C square plus that will be AB square minus A square B. Finally, we get AC plus C square into, we will get A square B square plus we will get AB cube plus we will get A square C plus AB square C minus AB. So this thing and this thing will be cancelled out. So now we have A square B square C square. Okay, so we are getting, yeah, a cube here, and again we will get a cube here. So now that is correct. So minus we will get a cube B square C minus a cube BC square minus A square B C cube plus we will get what? We will get, sorry, minus A B square C cube minus A square B square sorry, that will be plus here. Yes, a square, b square, c square. And finally, we will get a cube, b square, c, plus we will get what? We will get a square, b square, c square, plus we will get a square, sorry, that will be a cube, b, c square, plus that will be sorry, a cube, plus that will be a square b c cube, plus that would be a square b square c square, plus a b c cube. So finally all the terms will be cancelled out. So what we will get now? So finally we will get, there are a square b square c square once, second, third, and fourth. So finally we will only get 4a square b square c square. So the given answer, so the correct answer of this question is our option B, which is telling us that that is our option 4. Okay. So again, I am telling that if you have any other mathematical queries or doubts or anything, so please feel free to contact on this number. That means you can call on this number, or you can WhatsApp also. Rather, you can drop an email to our email ID, which is written in the screen. Then you can join as a student to our institute, and you can enjoy all the services of Dr. Sourav's classes. Okay, thank you guys. Hope you understood. Thank you.